Hello everybody, now it's time for Harry's and Manhin's presentation.
What does all this code represent? It's a big green code. It never stops generating codes. It keeps rapidly increasing. Some people think all this code is pretty scary, and some people think that it is really fascinating, and this is actually the number of codes that are running in an AI program. It's pretty shocking, right? Hello everyone, my name is Harry, and I'm joined today by Manhin. In this presentation, we'll be discussing the development of artificial intelligence and its impact on the engineering field. What is artificial intelligence? Well, it's basically like a computer system that can do stuff that usually requires human intelligence, like understanding speech, learning languages, solving problems, and making decisions. The cool thing is that it gets better the more it learns by analyzing data over time. It's not like regular programming, where it needs specific instructions. AI can adapt to new situations and change how it acts. That's why it's used in all sorts of everyday areas, like map and navigation, facial recognition, digital chatbots, e-payments, etc. And it's also great for crunching complex data for making better designs. It also can predict maintenance that is needed and making sure everything's working top-notch. Pretty neat, huh? Why is AI important to the engineering field and to our everyday lives? AI is important to engineering because it can help engineers solve complex problems more efficiently and effectively. For example, AI can be used for design optimization, which involves using algorithms to find the best designs for a given set of parameters. This can save engineers time and resources by automating the design process and reducing the need for physical prototypes. AI can also be used for predictive maintenance, which involves using data analysis to predict when equipment will need maintenance or repairs. This can also help prevent equipment failure and reduce downtime, resulting in cost and saving the company's money. In addition, AI can be used for quality control, allowing the engineers to quickly identify and address defects in manufacturing processes. This can also lead to improved product quality and customer satisfaction. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize the engineering industry by making processes more efficient, reducing costs, and improving the quality of engineering products and services.
So now I want to tell you about how engineers use AI to help their work 10 times faster than regular engineers who don't use AI. So let me show you. When they're tasked to make a car, the engineers who don't use AI spend a few weeks for this designing process. And the engineers who do use AI, this designing process is shortened to only few days. This is a huge gap that could only be closed by the use of AI. And secondly, the engineers who don't use AI, they need to go through a prototyping, which takes a couple of days to complete before sending off to the factory. And the engineers who do use AI don't need to go through this arduous prototyping process. They can just go through this VR prototyping process, which only takes a couple of minutes before they can send this off to factory printing. And this is a huge efficiency boost to the engineers, which I think is incredible. Secondly, I want to tell you about how engineers get high quality when using AI. So can you guess which one of these pictures are drawn by an actual person? Well, the answer is actually quite shocking. None of them are drawn by an actual person. All of them are AI designed and with their own unique style. So this is a drawing that I did a few minutes ago. It isn't that great, but with AI, this drawing can turn into a very detailed graph and having the details, and the AI can just help you be much more nice and efficient with your work. So let me take a real example now. So this is a painting from the masterpiece Mona Lisa, and if we use AI, this painting can enlarge to a bigger size and a more detailed quality, which AI can produce efficiently and quicker than the normal painter would. So now I want to ask you a question. What do you think an engineer's top priority is? Well, the answer is safety. So this is the AI enhances safety. How AI enhances safety. So in these couple of pictures has been run through a camera which AI has processed. AI can recognize equipment on the person and the person itself and the area that person is in. These are very important facts because in the construction field, safety equipments are very important for the safety for the engineers. So without this equipment, they might get harmed or hurt. With this AI, they can be alerted to wear the safety equipment. And if they're wandering into a danger zone, the AI can tell them and alert them. So the next topic I want to share with you is predictive maintenance. AI can help with this topic because, well, have you ever noticed that pipelines rust, and over time, these pipelines can lead to a safety hazard because the pipeline eventually will burst or leak because of the rust. And I'll let Harry share with you more about it.
Thank you for your thoughts, Manhin. Take a look at this illustration. In this illustration, it demonstrates how real-time data, such as pH rate, CO2 and H2O levels, will be transferred to the AI cloud for analysis and prediction. For example, let's say that if there were any issues that were to be brought up by the pH and CO2 levels, it will automatically alert the operator to do checkups on it. So there you have it. AI can play a big role in keeping workers safe by detecting hazards, monitoring equipment, and providing top-notch quality to the customers.
So even after all the benefits we told about AI, in conclusion, some people are still skeptical about AI and think that it's still dangerous because it could go out of control and harm people.
However, when we utilize AI correctly, it can help us with a lot of difficult and complex tasks. Also, we can reach higher goals that we couldn't before, like flying cars or even robot construction workers. Are you ready for the future? My name is Harry and he is Manping. Thank you for